Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek. We early. So listen, y'all. Well, for starters, if you're new here, like duh. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Ooh, pow. Ooh, pow. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like much for girl. So listen, I'm wearing my shirt a day early, right? I got it on clearance last year, and I said, look, Josiah can't fit his shirt no more. I got us both shirts. He can't fit his no more. I'm swimming in mine. I need to get him on my workout plan. Nah, but he happy. My little chubby boy. No, he ain't even chubby. Let me stop. He happy, and that's all that matters to me. But anyway, so listen, y'all. I only need 8 offers for $3. Like, Ibotta was like, here, girl, take this. I'm like, okay. All right. So this is gonna be stupid easy. Like, I didn't even put it in a Google Doc. I don't even know if I'm gonna put it in a Google Doc. I might just pop up the breakdown because this little bitty list, this little bitty baby list is all that I have for today. I will be using a Knox today, all right? So just a heads up on that. Knox meaning no expiration on the Airwick. And so I'm going to see if it's still scanning. And so I'm going to throw that into my deals as well. With that being said, we are going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. I do have four or five field agents to do while I'm there. And that's what I do with field agent, y'all. I try to, if I can get at least 3 or 4 per trip, then that's awesome. And so I have 4 I need to do. So with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you could grab here to do, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl out. All right, y'all. So listen, so I'm here to try something with this Airwick. All right, for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab one at $9.98. Going to try using this $4 printable right here from coupons.com. That should bring the total down to $5.98, getting back $5.40 on Shopkick, $1.25 on Ibotta, which would make that a 67-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3 for Shopkick. So let's see if this works out. All right, so I'm gonna be grabbing 2 of the Airwick starter kits, priced at $3.97. I'm gonna see if this $3 coupon is still gonna scan. It's a knock, so it should scan. I'm gonna see if it's still working. And so that'll bring it down to 97 cents, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta would make that 47 cents. And then I'll be grabbing the hand soap again as well, priced at $3.97, getting back 700 kicks. Well, it's $7.25, but I've been getting 700 kicks, which is $2.80 on Shopkick. And then $1 on Fetch will make that 17 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and max this one out and grab 3. All right, y'all. So here we go. Here's the deal. That's going to have you smelling like dessert for your boot thing. All right, it's on the Dove Crumbl. They're priced at $7.97. All right, we're going to get back 725 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.90. We also get back $1.50 on Ibotta, and then I have $1 on Fetch, bringing it down to $2.57. I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of these. They psyched me out. I thought it was a coupon. I ran over here so fast. I was like, what? Coupon. So this last deal I'm gonna grab is on the Crumbl deodorant, all right? So they're priced at $6.97. For this, getting back 725 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.90, and then $2.50 on Fetch makes it $1.57 each. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these. All right, y'all. So here is our complete haul for today. It's super small. I love all the Doves. And I love all this Airwick too. Look, I can't even complain. I can't even begin. This was an easy little bonus. I only needed 8 offers. I knocked them out. All my coupons did, please excuse me, my allergies, everybody's allergies is all messed up right now. I had to get Josiah early from school. Joseph's upstairs, sleep on Benadryl. So yeah, we all getting it right now. And so listen, so let me show you my receipt really quick. Focus, man. Okay. So all my coupons scan. The $3 Knox Airwick is still working for me, at least. I did go to self-checkout. There goes all my Dove. Now, originally I got 3 hand soaps because the limit was 3, and now the limit is 2. Or maybe the limit was always 2, and I just didn't realize it because I was only getting 2. I don't know, but I did take 1 back, just right here. All right, but other than that, coupon scanned, everything worked out. All right, that was the out of pocket. Well, $69.61 minus the one that I took back. All right, 1 receipt. I actually like when I just go in and do 1 receipt, 1 transaction. Let me mention something really quick. Okay, I did have to go back and forth with Shopkick for the hand soap. All right, I don't like the way the receipt, that page looks, transaction page. The Dove hand soap was at the bottom. Okay, it didn't look like I got credit for it, but I did. I didn't look at the total and add everything up. I just looked at the bottom and saw that it looked like I didn't get credit. So I'm going back and forth with customer support. Christopher, let's give him a raise. Okay, let's give him a raise. Or, take him out to lunch. Okay, Shopkick headquarters, take him out to lunch. He deserves free lunch for a week. Super patient. All right, went back and forth. He just kept giving me points, giving me kicks. And the last one, I was like, okay, maybe there's some kind of miscommunication, confusion. I should have got this and I got that. He's telling me that they gave me the 1,100 kicks, and I'm telling him no, they didn't. But he's at the same time, he's still giving me kicks. So eventually, I realized I add up all of the kicks, and then I add the extra 11. Oh yeah, duh, he did give it to me. So I feel like a total idiot. But he was so freaking awesome. So I cannot be thankful enough that he was super awesome and patient. And he was responding really fast too, going back and forth, which was really cool. So I'm happy to finally get that resolved. And so I'm gonna have to give him 5 stars, totally 5 stars. And that was the hiccup of today. As far as everything else worked out good. All right, so everything you see here retails $86.64. We had $21 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $65.64. Our sales tax was $7.58. I'm getting back a total of, I got back $39.40 from Shopkick, and I'm pretty sure it's a little bit more than it should have been because he just kept giving me kicks. Fetruar was $12.60, and that was an extra $1 because of that. The third hand soap, Ibotta was $11.25, and last but not least, I did 2 field agent jobs. I had 4 today, but I ended up canceling 2 because I just didn't have time. I had to go get him from school early, so I didn't have time. And so walk away with a total of $69.25. Gonna make everything you see here free plus a $3.61 moneymaker, which to me is pretty awesome because I got Dove and Airwick. Like what? I got Dove and I got Airwick, so the house gonna smell good and I'm gonna smell good. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. With that being said, I appreciate you watching. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, got anything from this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And the emoji. I want to see a flower emoji in the comments made to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.